Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This charming and uniquely designed, fully grilled and beautifully furnished 2-bedroom and 1-bathroom home waits to welcome you home. With ease of access, the 24-hour gated, well sought after New Harbour Village 3, St. Catherine community in which the home lies makes living attractive. The home includes a cozy and gorgeous living and dining room with kitchen with luxurious furniture and appliances. It also offers cable TV and AC unit in each bedroom, water heater, 7-camera CCTV camera system, and automatic garage door to ensure additional security, privacy, and a comfortable, restful stay. Beauty and ambience are combined to provide you with an unforgettable experience. The complex is currently located and is in close proximity to schools, churches, and commercial areas. You can't afford to miss this grand opportunity to live in comfort and style. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, water heater, grilled, kitchen built-ins, fully fenced. It comes furnished, easy access, family oriented, and the road is paved. The land area is 5,527 square feet and the current rental price is 100,000 Jamaican or US 640 per month. Now, let's take a look at this home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.